And we are all victims of internal politics. Nobody is thinking about the future of Tripura. I have a lot of respect for the Prime Minister and the Home Minister. But today they are in power, tomorrow they may not be in power. Then what happens to the TTAADC when Bangladeshi people enter from present day Bangladesh? Tipra Motha is beating up BJP workers, BJP is beating up CPM, CPM is beating up Congress. What sort of message are we sending to the rest of country?
A calm and composed Pradyot walked up to the media in Agartala to answer the biggest question. What's going on between the Tipra Motha and the BJP?
ऑफिशियली तो कुछ हुआ नहीं है, लेकिन मैं आपको एक बात क्लियरली बोलना चाहता हूँ. ना मुझे किसी ने संपर्क किया है, ना किसी ने मुझसे बात किया है. और जब तक हमारे लोगों को कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, सिर्फ नेता को कुछ मिलने से मुझे नहीं लगता है कि मैं इस रकम का राजनीति करना चाहता हूँ. अगर नेशनल पार्टी को अलायंस करना है तो उनको हमारे लोगों को उनका अधिकार देना चाहिए. अगर वो नहीं देंगे तो हम क्या शक्ल दिखाकर अपने लोगों के पास जाकर बोलेंगे कि अलायंस करो.
The erstwhile royal of the northeast state made it clear that there won't be an alliance until the demands of the Tiprasa people are fulfilled.
जब तक इलेक्शन का अनाउंसमेंट होता है और अगर नहीं हुआ तो हमने एडीसी में भी लड़ा है, हमने 2023 के इलेक्शन भी लड़े हैं, हम अकेला लड़ेंगे.
The Tipra Motha chief all but confirmed his good ties with the BJP's central leadership, while saying that he had all the respect for Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah. Pradyot's demand was clear. You are in power today and you may not be in power tomorrow.
We are next to Bangladesh. I have a lot of respect for the Prime Minister and the Home Minister. But today they are in power, tomorrow they may not be in power. Then what happens to the TTAADC when Bangladeshi people enter from present day Bangladesh? Then who will protect us? That's why I am saying when they are in power, they should give us something so that we can protect our land.
Pradyot's reaction becomes all the more interesting after the BJP's biggest organizational shakeups in recent times. And among the prominent names is former Tripura Chief Minister and Tripura West MP, Biplab Kumar Deb. The timing is significant. With the crucial 2028 Tripura Assembly elections still some time away, the BJP has now handed a key national organizational role to one of its biggest political faces from the Northeast. It comes in the backdrop of an apparent fallout between the Tipra Motha and the Tripura unit of the BJP. Interestingly, Pradyot seems to be walking his own path. The erstwhile royal of Tripura reportedly shares cordial ties with Himanta Biswa Sarma, the BJP's northeast commander. However, the reshuffle comes at a time India's politics is at a crossroads, with a new generation of voters almost at the cusp of becoming the majority. So, Biplab Deb has been elevated to Nitin Nabeen's national team, giving the Tripura leader a larger role within the BJP's organizational structure. But why Biplab Deb? Remember, Deb was removed as Tripura's chief minister and replaced with Manik Saha. At the time, reports had surfaced that the former congressman Pradyot and the BJP veteran Biplab Deb did not see eye to eye on a host of issues. With elections around the corner and the seemingly growing popularity of Pradyot Dev Burma, there could be a bigger political message here. Remember, after crushing the BJP in the crucial TTADC elections, Pradyot had met Amit Shah. Lovingly called Babagra, his message was clear too. The Tipra Motha stands with the NDA if the BJP makes considerations for it in the northeast state. So, the BJP's move comes in the backdrop of a growing tussle between Tipra Motha chief Pradyot Kishore Manik Debarma and Manik Saha. In the 2021 Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council elections, Pradyot's Tipra Motha dealt a major blow to the BJP IPFT alliance emerging as a powerful political force in the state's tribal belt. And since then, Pradyut has continued to put pressure on the BJP-led government over constitutional demands and the implementation of the Tiprasa Accord. That is where Biplab Deb's elevation becomes politically significant. By giving a heavyweight Tripura leader a prominent national organizational role, the BJP's signal is clear. No ally, no matter how strong, will decide how the Saffron Party functions.
हमने 2023 के इलेक्शन भी लड़े हैं, हम अकेला लड़ेंगे. We are next to Bangladesh. I have a lot of respect for the Prime Minister and the Home Minister. But today they are in power, tomorrow they may not be in power. Then what happens to the TTAADC when Bangladeshi people enter from present-day Bangladesh? Then who will protect us? That's why I'm saying when they are in power, they should give us something so that we can protect our land. If you don't even give us the same guarantee which you have given to Karbi Anglong or to Bodos or to the Khasis or the Mizos, I'm not asking protection from Bengalis who are living in Tripura. I'm asking for protection from, in the future, what will happen if there is any problem in Bangladesh and these people start entering our areas. They will enter the ADC. Shouldn't we have some protection for our next generation? And we are all victims of internal politics. Nobody is thinking about the future of Tripura. Nobody is thinking about employment. Nobody is thinking about how we can match up with neighboring states like Assam, Meghalaya, or for that matter, even Odisha, which is doing so well. We are just playing politics and our state is going nowhere. I wish that we thought more about our state rather than doing politics. After elections, Tipra Motha is beating up BJP workers, BJP is beating up CPM, CPM is beating up Congress. What sort of message are we sending to the rest of country? That we are people who are incapable of solving our problems because we are so much in love with our party that we forget about our state and the interests of the people. मैं सुदीप राय बर्मन को, बिरजित सिन्हा जी को, गोपाल राय को, 3 लीडर से मैं सबको मानता हूँ और मुझे नहीं लगता है कि वो भी जानते हैं कि उनके दिल में कि मैं बेवजह पैसे के लिए कोई भी दल के संग अलायंस करूँगा. मुझे अपने लोगों का अधिकार चाहिए बस, और मुझे किसी के संग फाइट नहीं करना है. मैं सबको रिस्पेक्ट करता हूँ. बॉल किसके कोर्ट में मुझे मालूम नहीं है, लेकिन आखिरी बॉल तो हमेशा जनता के कोर्ट में है.